Welcome back to Battle Gear 1, and today we will be reviewing two things today, and I got them both at the Goodwill for 99 cents. Can't get batteries in either of them. So no sounds in either of them today. I wanted to originally get a Nerf gun, but it didn't come with the Mega Dart that it was supposed to. Which to start with? I think we'll start with this one because it's the more interesting one, and then that one I'll just throw in at the end. I tried getting the batteries in both of them, but I couldn't even get the compartments open. So here we have a toy heavy-duty nail gun with what would be a battery pack. I assume it takes AA's or AAA's. But I don't know if it'll. Yeah, you may see it like once or twice, so if in rapid succession if I continue doing this. It's supposed to lay nails like a real nail gun would. So it's got the back and forth action. But here's something interesting about it. An actual clip of nails. So you can have an actual reloading mechanism and actually act like you're in a zombie apocalypse. I actually really like this thing. Despite the fact that it doesn't work. Well, despite the fact that the audio doesn't work. I actually really like it. On the other hand, you have this thing. The Zero Blaster. I have no idea. I've never seen a Zero Blaster. From what I can tell, this is supposed to light up. Supposed to put something down here. I don't know what. But I can't get in the bottom because the screw is stripped. Partially. Couldn't even budge it. You can get a nice dubstep. Yeah, you can get a nice dubstep sound. That trigger does nothing anymore. If I could, I'd just strip the whole thing from the inside and use it to make a tiny fan. That I could just turn it on like that and be cool in summer. Or in winter when I'm in my bedroom and the room gets up to 95 degrees at most, strangely enough. Actually, sometimes maybe 100. Because all the heat goes straight to my room. Anyway, I've shown you the nail gun and Zero Blaster. Out of the two of them, which would I recommend you go pick up if you were to go to a Goodwill and find one at a cheap price of 99 cents, depending on whether or not you get one that works. Oh, one of the screws just came out. The one I could actually get out came out. Yeah, that's the one that I could get to move. Anyway, I recommend this one, and especially if you could get it in a much better condition. if for no other reason, you can actually reload it. And it fires without batteries. But even though it doesn't shoot anything out, it's got realistic action. So, thanks for watching, and oh yeah, I may eventually get other people to make videos and send them in to me on my, like, either through email, or I might just get them to give me a disc. So eventually you may see a few other strange things on my channel that normally wouldn't be on there. But other than that, thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe, and have a good one.